Hey guys, this is Kyle with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2022 Apex Nano off-grid, and it's the 19 BHS model. If you're looking for something light, also with ASDEL, which will keep it from water damage, this is the rig for you. Okay, you got the nice window in the front, so you can also see as you're going down the road. We also got this power awning right here with the LED lights, so you can enjoy it while you're hanging out with the family. We got this outside kitchen here. Okay, we got the grill taped down right here, as well as the counter space we got, and the refrigerator as well. So while you're hanging out with the family, you can cook outside under the awning too, which is not typical, right? You also got these solid steps, probably the best steps that we have here. Very, very sturdy and nice and low to the ground also for the handle. So come on in here and take a look at this. So this one's a smaller trailer, but it is a bunkhouse, BHS. The bunkhouse in here is in the back, but in the front we have the east to west bedroom, right? Or bed. It's a queen size mattress, really nice and spacious here. But no, so we got some storage on the top here, and you even have a chance to mount a TV right here on the side here with that electrical cord and the electrical outlets. Being a small trailer, you usually don't get, you either get like a smaller dinette. This one is actually a pretty nice sized one here. We can probably fit 4 adults here pretty comfortably, or we can probably be squishing a little bit, but it's on the slide out, so it gives you a lot more room to hang out right here as well. And you don't have to sit on the bed the entire time. So while you're eating food and hanging out with the family, you can just be right here. This does convert into a sleeping space as well, and it'd be like a queen size bed we got going on here. Also some chances for storage on the bottom, which is really, really convenient. And then you also got your kitchen area right here. It does have a removable countertop. It's undermounted, and it's a stainless steel one too. So really good job there. You also got some storage on the top here for your plates. And you got the stove here. It's the 2-burner one. And then as well as the microwave. And more storage right here on the bottom. You even have storage right here too. A little pantry area. You can put your fruits or any other things like cereal boxes and stuff like that. Right here, we got the bunks as well. Really, really nice. You can either use it for storage or just for actually put kids there too. So either one. We got the refrigerator here, as well as the freezer. Pretty good size fridge and freezer we got going on there. And then check out this bathroom. Go on in. Got the toilet as well as the sink there. And a nice shower. So a lot of functional things for this trailer. It's definitely built for off-grid as well. So if you have any questions whatsoever about this trailer or any other ones, feel free to give me a call, okay? My name is Kyle, and my phone number 541-799-8794. Would love to talk to you. Have a good day.